There are three types of safety tires on the market: the cushion tire, the run-flat tire, and the MST safety tire. The cushion tire is commonly used for specialized industrial tires and electronic vehicles, while the run-flat tire is an expensive option on luxury sedans. The MST safety tire, however, is applicable to all high-speed tires on the market that do not have an inner tube. The safety gel developed by MST is uniformly applied to the inner tread of the tire through a specialized technique, forming a protection layer that effectively prevents air from leaking. This technology can be applied to buses, vans, ATVs, motorcycles, bicycles, military Hummers, and electric vehicles. By applying this technology, normal tires become safety tires. We will be performing a series of penetration tests to prove the penetration-proof and leak-proof features of the MST safety tire. First, we will be testing the type of caltrop commonly used against outlaws in Taiwan. This type of caltrop is used for testing the condition of normal vehicles when driving over tire-penetrating objects on the road. To help us understand the speed at which the air is leaking out, water and pressure gauge tests are used to demonstrate the test results. In contrast to our controlled testing, the sudden penetration of the tires while on the general public road will most likely result in serious accidents. Vehicles with the MST safety tires installed will then be tested with the same caltrop. After the vehicle passes over the caltrop is removed and the point of penetration is clearly marked for the water test. After the penetration point is marked, the vehicle is driven for a lap around the track to test the effectiveness of the MST safety tire. The pressure gauge and water testing method are used to test for air leakage. In order to present us with a clear view of the differences, the screen is shown with the contrasting information as comparison. This is the caltrop as specified by Thailand manufacturers. The radius is approximately 9 millimeters. The Thai caltrop is used to test the MST safety tire and the condition of the vehicle in motion. After the tire is penetrated by the Thai caltrop, the vehicle is driven for a lap around the track. After the tire gauge is installed, the caltrop is removed and the point of penetration is marked for water testing. In the water test, we can clearly see the 3 points of penetration without any sign of air leakage. The pressure gauge also indicates that the pressure of the tire is maintained at a normal level. In the next test, we used steel nails to test the condition of vehicles when a normal tire is penetrated. The same pressure gauge and water tests are performed to test the speed of the air leakage, and even though the air is leaking slower than the caltrop, the normal tire still deflates within 3 minutes to a completely inoperable state. This test is when the MST safety tire runs over a steel nail. After the nail is run over, the vehicle is driven for a lap around the track. As the hole from the penetration is smaller than from the caltrop, soapy water is used to test the penetrated tire. We will be able to clearly see the difference in the same comparison chart. This test is when the normal motorcycle tire is penetrated by nails and completely deflates in approximately 3 minutes. The MST motorcycle safety tire is driven for a lap around the track after a nail penetrates it. First, the tire pressure is measured and it remains at a constant level. The water test for the safety tire compared with the normal tire. To further highlight the safety features of the tire, we will perform another simple penetration test indoors. First up, this is a normal tire without the safety application. After the penetrating nail is removed, the sound of air leaking and tire deflation is significant. This is the MST safety tire. For comparative purposes, 2 penetration tests will be performed. After the 2 penetrating nails are removed, we cannot hear any sound of air leaking out. The pressure gauge and water tests are used to test the air leakage and then compared to normal tires. This is the MST safety tire. From this tire cross-section, we can see that this layer of soft gel is the MST safety material. The material is uniformly applied inside the tire so that the material will tightly wrap around the penetrating object due to pressure from inside the tire, thereby making it leak-proof. After the penetrating object is removed, the internal tire pressure will also push the gel from the inside and jam it into the hole. This automatically repairs the tire and ensures its continued functionality. The MST safety tire can also effectively insulate noise and vibration from the moving vehicle. The tires treated with the safety gel will effectively absorb the vibrations and noise for a more pleasant driving experience. Tire balance is also improved. The product is also safe for the environment, as the safety gel can be recycled. The cost of the tire is comparable to run-flat and cushion tires on the market, and even though a reasonable cost is of the utmost importance to us, the tire still provides the best anti-leak feature in the business. Lastly, the safety tire has deflation-proof and burst-proof features to effectively auto-repair itself when penetrated by external forces. This will achieve the goal of maintenance-free tires, maximizing the lifespan and performance of the tires. This has been an introduction of the MST safety tire. We believe that all drivers should be able to enjoy the most comfortable driving experience and better protection for the ones they love. It does not matter what roads you travel on or what country you live in. Everyone should experience our quality tires at a reasonable price.